Morning. Today we're gonna do a couple things. It's early, so we're gonna do some cinnamon rolls in a pizza oven made by Reno Metalware. This one's made locally right here in Sparks, and then this afternoon we're gonna do some pizzas on it. So we got some hog logs in there to get the fire going. We're just gonna throw a couple little chunks of wood on as we go. Now we just let it warm up. It takes about 40 minutes for a traditional wood-fired pizza oven to get to full temp. Alright, we got the oven to 350. Took about 25-30 minutes. So now we're just going to throw our cinnamon rolls right on in here. About 15 minutes. Breakfast will be ready.
15 minutes.
Alright guys, cinnamon rolls are done. Look at those, nice golden brown. So your pizza ovens, it's going to take you a couple times to figure out where your hot zone is. This and the way you open your door, because this pizza oven cooks a little bit hotter on the right hand side, about 100 degrees, because of the way that heat rolls across the top of that dome. But the stone temp is even about 100 degrees hotter on the right. So just kind of learn your oven, see where you do it. So we cook these in the center, and you can see that right hand side got a little more cooked than the left hand side. So that's it. Learn your pizza oven. You can twist whatever you're cooking in there.
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby!
We have a problem! We have a problem!
In true Ron and Tom fashion, we didn't say anything about us making pizza in the oven. We may have even forgot to talk about how the stone temps need to be around 550 to 600 degrees, or that you will need to rotate your pie to evenly cook and not burn it to ashes. Due to the extreme noise around the store and Ron and Tom being forgetful, they have had me step in and narrate this part. Again. The important part and main tool for any outdoor oven is an infrared thermometer. Ron is now checking the stone temperature, which should be between 550 and 600 degrees. Pro tip, place a little cornmeal on the wood pizza peel to help with the dough sticking. Sometimes if the dough sits too long on the pizza peel, it will want to stick. Just like when customers all arrive at the time the pizza is supposed to go into the oven. Here is Ron saying hi to Tom. After about 5 minutes in the oven and one turn of the pizza.
Num num.